cannot fly. Petals which are many. I cannot be found anywhere. Also in the world, scorpions, worms, crustaceans, has some beta fungus and mollusks such as snail and black hawkshead.
Someretes. The terrestrial isopods called someretes. Pigs of Senior Anthony or Bougill of ladybugs. Are they on live valley? Terrestrial crustacean of leaf. After analyzing the data collected on the island since 1987, found in the village of Sawyer a total of 24 species of terrestrial isopods, belong to 13 genera, belong to 9 families of Monstei isopods.
Name a Plavetosauria longhorn beetles between 50 millimeters and about 5 centimeters long. All longicornis femurs lay eggs in tree bark. The larvae chorfates the drill excavate galleries in the trunk and branches of the tree, which destroy it. Is difficult to combat the larva. In general, it does so with toxic gases placed at the entrance to galleries. The larvae attack mandrake pine logs, cut pine trees. The males have extremely long antennas. The mandrake of the popular that has the body covered with a yellow and grey pubescence attack poplars. The attack of mandrake oak and corn oaks. There are the lesser beetles in the Sierra Tramontana, as measured from 30 to 50 millimeters long.
Butterfly king, one of the most spectacular butterflies of the Sierra de Tramontana. The butterfly king strip has bright colors, yellow and black, making it also known as tiger moth. Green, blue nebule are spots on the eggs of the wings and lower cross two spots next to the tails. This butterfly is flying fast and spends the day, going from fire to fire and from flower. They love to soak to flowers of the ants and fennel where sometimes one voice with its wings extended, resting in the sun. He lives in 3 generations, of spring to autumn. It is a very common butterfly in the summer and it's often found in the gardens.
A snail otter. The snail otter is a species of mollusk found of the most common land snail in the Sierra de Tramontana. It has 2 recent synonyms, cornus and aspersus canterus. Although this species is edible, is seen as a pest of vegetables, especially in places where it was introduced. The adult carries a snail shell. Calcium carbonate is very resistant to 25-40 millimeters and 25-35 millimeters high. The shell is somewhat variable with respect to the color and shape, but is usually brown or dark brown with stripes, spots, or yellow lines. Like other snails, are hermaphroditic, and after sunset, the little snails take on 2 to 2 years to reach maturity. It is herbivorous and feeds on host plant. At the same time, is making many animals, including some insect birds. Popular song.
Song of a named Foxhound.
Screw of horn, screw of sir, remove horn and let it go to the mountains. Let it go, sir.